I'm the founder of Spooky Nook Sports. We opened in June of 2013. It was a former distribution warehouse. So we have about 800,000 square feet inside the building. 600 of it on the main floor and 200 on the mezzanines. We have 140 full-time employees, and we have a total of 750 employees, including our part-timers. I think it's probably easier to talk about what sports are not a part of what we do here at the Nook, but primarily it's basketball, volleyball, field hockey, those kinds of things. So it's really a broad spectrum. And what we offer is the right kind of space.
I actually was a member here a while ago. The lights were older T8 fluorescent lights, and we do LEDs, so I knew that there was an opportunity here for a project. I approached Spooky Nook Sports and just kind of said, okay, roughly you have maybe 2,500 lights in here. And I said, this is about what a project could look like. What are your thoughts?
Our decision to move forward with this project was based on a couple of primary measures. One was the cost of light. We also factored in the labor expense to changing light bulbs and the downtime for areas that required those changes to occur.
When you look at not changing out the T8s, when you look at not changing out the ballast, we had calculated about $40,000 in maintenance savings annually. The previous technologies that they had, the T8s, they have a life expectancy of 35,000 hours. The LEDs have a life expectancy of 100,000 hours, about 20 years of useful life. The T8s would probably have 2 to 3. The total project cost before everything was just a little over $600,000. The savings for the project, it's about $200,000 a year. So you're looking at about a 3-year return on investment.
LED lamps will create less heat, therefore less cooling requirements in the building.
The HVAC savings calculated to be about $16,000 a year. Every kilowatt hour that's not being used can be attributed to X amount of cents in HVAC savings.
So when we put all of those together, in addition to the rebate plan from PP&L, it was a pretty easy decision to make. Actually, it was a very easy decision to make.
Any project that we do, one of the first things that we do is incorporate the Act 129 rebates into it. They qualify for the direct discount program, which that was an elevated rebate of 15 cents per kilowatt hour saved. So it takes a $600,000 project down to a little under $400,000 project when it comes out of pocket. That money gets paid directly to the contractor, so the Nook does not have to pay that out of pocket. They don't have to wait and get the money back. It's just discounted off the top of the project cost. I feel like Act 129 rebates were the main reason as to why this project went. It brought a project from about a 6-year payback down to about a 3.5-year payback, and so it really pushed it over the finish line.
The Act 129 is very helpful to large users who can make improvements but need some support on the capital side to make those.